Are internal clocks real? A short comparative study on the circadian rhythm of the human body. In this study, we will get to know more about our circadian rhythm and why it plays an important role in our everyday lives.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shabrek Pihebero. My part for this report is conclusion and recommendation.
I am Bea Shikaina Aricarte. I will be the one to introduce the study.
I am Hart Ramirez and I was tasked for data gathering and data analyzing.
Hello, listeners. I am Sarah Tiali. I am responsible for the results and discussion.
Hello everyone, I am Shine Saldua and I will be discussing to you the chapter 3, which is the methodology.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rexjan Jade Tikar, and I was assigned for the literature review.
What is circadian rhythm? It is a 24-hour cycle and a built-in mechanism but can be affected by external stimuli. Other people will get sleepy on 3 in the afternoon, others might be active in 10 a.m. in the morning, and others might still be awake at 11 p.m., and that is because of their body's circadian rhythm. Why the researchers conducted this study? Are internal clocks real? This is a question which our group has been uncovering throughout the duration. Given as we conduct this short study, is there really a specific time frame where our bodies fall asleep and rise from slumber? Wouldn't that be cool to discover that such a biological clock resides in us wherein we can manipulate it to our advantage? In this study, such lingering questions are answered. It is also to know our body's circadian rhythm, whether we are a morning person or a night person, and know when the body is active and would be able to function properly. Who are the respondents of this study? The respondents are of the young adult age group. How to take care of our circadian rhythm? By keeping a regular sleep schedule, by going to sleep and waking up at the same time every day so our body will adjust to the rhythm. So the key terms in our study are melatonin, light treatment, and natural bedtime. Melatonin is referred to as the sleep hormone. It is an essential part of the body's sleep-wake cycle. Its production increases with evening darkness, promoting healthy sleep and helping to set our circadian rhythm. Next is light treatment. It is a timed exposure to bright light and can reset the timing of sleep and wake to the desired times and improve sleep quality and daytime alertness. Natural bedtime it refers to the time when the person naturally falls asleep at night.
To continue, additional research study conducted by Cyril Y. Akartek and entitled Effect of Circadian Rhythm on Metabolic Processes and the Regulation of Energy Balance proved that the circadian timing system or circadian clock plays a crucial role in many biological processes. But there are factors that can affect and can gradually decrease the adequate sleeping time for usage, like usage of mobile phones, which is very common, watching television late at night, and for us students, our study schedule. According to research, these circadian disruptions are associated with many pathological conditions such as obesity, diabetes, anxiety, depression, fatigue, loss of concentration, and to mention other physiological disorders. So, another study was conducted. This entitled The Effect of Light on Human Circadian Physiology by Jean Dati and Charles Sisler. States that studies conducted on the laboratory have revealed a wealth of information about how human circadian system is affected by light. This has improved the understanding on entrainment of human circadian rhythm to the 24-hour environment. So changes in our body and environment can cause our circadian rhythm and the natural light-dark cycle to be out of sync. For example, jet lag or shift work causes changes in the light-dark cycle, and another one is the light from electronic devices at night can confuse our biological clocks. This has revealed important insights into circadian rhythm sleep disorders and has allowed for the design of light treatment regimens for night workers, jet travelers, and patients with circadian rhythm sleep disorders.
Now, I will be discussing the chapter 3, the methodology. So this chapter played an important role in implementing this research accordingly, as it described and presented the following. So for the research design, the study utilized an experimental research design. So this is to determine the validity of internal clock and the factors influencing it. For research instrument, in this study, the researchers utilized two sets of questionnaire. The first one is the automated morning-eveningness questionnaire, consisting of 19 questions. This is about the respondents' daily sleep-wake habits and the times of day they prefer to do certain activities. Also, this questionnaire will probably help the respondents to give them an advice about their respective circadian rhythm type. The second one is the interview questionnaire consisting of 12 questions that was based on the National Institute of Health, and this was made to determine the usual sleeping routine of the respondents. So for the preparation and the collection of the data, the researchers looked from the internet a set of questionnaire or quiz that can be utilized in the study, and we found out the automated morning eveningness questionnaire. The researchers also made a set of questionnaire in order to determine the usual sleeping routine of the respondents. We, the researchers, then asked the respondents to properly answer the questionnaire that is being provided, and upon answering the questions, the respondents only took 5 to 10 minutes as it is set as the duration time. Then, the researchers also asked the respondents to screenshot the summary of their result in order to include it to the appendix part. And after answering the questions, the respondents were given 2 weeks to keep in touch with the researchers, saying the time they woke up and sleep to see the result and how it corresponds to their individual result by the questions that were taken. So for the identification of the collected data, the researchers then see and compare the results from the tests that were taken by the respondents and the 2 weeks experimental activity, which is also done by the SAD participants.